Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's talk today about this Sandisk hard drive. I got it from Amazon. As you can see here, this version is the 500 gigabytes, but you can also find 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, depending on the capacity that you want. You can just get one. It works pretty fine. I've been using this for years, okay, with my computer, with my 18 mini to record videos, and it works pretty well. And you just need to connect your device here using this USB-C port. Okay, so it's standard USB port. It's fast, very fast to transfer files from your computer or for any device you want. And you can also use your keychain because there is a space here that you can hang on your keychain, and then you can transport like this, right? And here on the front, it has the Sandisk logo. As you can see, there's some wear marks because I'm using it for some time. And it's pretty good. The feeling, it's also very good. Okay, it's a kind of rubber that you have here, and it feels very good in my hand, and it's also very, very small. Okay, and remember that Sandisk, it's well known for making good hard drives or SD cards or any device for storage. Okay, so it's very, very good. So overall, it's a very good product. I like it and I recommend it.